Some tools look good on paper, but when you try them, they're clunky, overwhelming, or just not built for how your business actually runs. That's why most cleaning business owners give up on automation. They think it's not worth the effort. But there's a system that's different, a setup real business owners are actually using and swearing by. It's built on Go High Level, a powerful CRM and automation platform that helps small service businesses streamline everything from lead capture to follow-up. At WeBuyAI, we took that platform and built a ready-to-use automation system, specifically for cleaning businesses. It's already working for owners who wanted to stop chasing leads, stop doing everything manually, and finally get their time back. Here's what they get: instant lead responses, follow-up sequences that close the job, automated reminders that reduce no-shows, and review requests that bring in new referrals. They don't touch any code. They don't write a single message. They just turn it on and let the system run. If you want the same automation setup cleaning business owners are already using to save time and book more jobs, click the link in the description and access the WebAI system built on Go High Level.